Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to create the infographic column with dual labels. If you see, we have a column chart over here, and inside the column itself, we have the access details, that is the concerned department and then the concerned value for that department. We do not have a separate axis over here. Each and every column chart has two particular data labels. It's a completely dynamic chart. For example, if I put 85, it automatically updates. If I put 55, it automatically updates. This is more visually appealing than having an axis at the bottom. Each of these columns has the data labels for the department and for the value of the joiners in the same column. So let's see how to create this particular chart. So we have a data set here. Here just go and say joinee2. And in joinee2, just refer to the same value as the joinee. Let us go and give it a border. Let us go and give it a joinee2. So I've given the colors and the border. Now just select your data, go to insert and insert a simple clustered column chart. Delete the grid lines, delete the chart title, delete the axis. Now in joinee2, select the series and say add data labels. Do the same for joinee, add data labels. Now in joinee2, select the data labels and say format data labels. Then select value from cells and select your department and say OK. Uncheck value from your uncheck leader lines and say inside base. Now for the joinee data labels, just select it and say inside end. Now what you need to do is select any one of the series and say overlap it to 100%. So if you see, the chart completely overlaps and it's on top of each other. So both the series are overlapping. Now select your series, give it any particular color which you want. For example, I have selected this purple color. Now select your data labels and put it in white color so that it's visible. Now select your series and let's make these columns a little thicker. So you can adjust the gap width accordingly to make it thick. For example, I have put it as 80. Now select the second data label also, put it in white, put it in bold and increase the font. Now I can delete this axis from here. I do not require these legends also. You can select any one of the series, go to format, in shape effects. You can select any of the effects which you want. I am using bevel and this is the first one which I am using. So you see you have a 3D format of the columns. And now this chart is completely dynamic. If you increase or decrease the value, the chart automatically updates. For example, I'm going here and I'm saying 25. You see our chart has automatically updated. In IT, let's make it 55. So this chart looks more visually appealing because we do not have an axis at the bottom and these columns have both labels, that is one for the department and one for the value of that particular department, which in our case is the joiner details. So this is how you create a column chart with dual data labels. I hope you enjoyed this chart. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.